guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a super fun video. It's something new to my channel, something I've never done before, and I'm really excited for it. It is a special video because it is in collaboration with my friend Mandy over at Living My Blessed Life.
You can expect to see lots of vlogs from Mandy's channel, Ray Dunn hauls, decorating and clean with me's, and of course little cameos from her precious dog Bodhi.
And today we are going to be baking our favorite fall inspired treats. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm really going to have some fun with it. We're going to make a fun coffee treat at the end, so make sure you stay till the end and let's get right into the video.
Today we are going to be making brownies, but with a little twist. I'm adding some pumpkin in there, so of course you'll need some pumpkin. You'll also need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1.5 cups of granulated sugar, half a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, half a cup of vegetable or canola oil, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 2.5 cups of pumpkin puree, and 1 cup of roughly chopped semi-sweet chocolate, and I use chocolate chips. Now I'm going to pop this baby into the oven at 350 degrees for roughly 34 minutes. I will definitely be making these again. This had just enough pumpkin in it and it just tasted like fall. And moving on to what is quickly becoming my favorite fall coffee drink. For this you will need your favorite coffee. We use espresso, maple syrup, almond milk, and some cinnamon. Here I am going to froth my milk. I'm using a handheld frother. As you could probably see, we do have a frother that is built onto our Nespresso machine. I will admit I have not used that yet, so I just decided to get out the handheld one for this video. Now that my milk is perfectly frothed, I'm going to add my espresso and then some maple syrup and pour my milk on top, and then of course a dash, maybe more than a dash, of cinnamon. And this just absolutely gives the perfect amount of decadence and just really makes it feel like fall, even if it's not outside yet. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed making it. And I'll see you next time. Bye.